What's up guys, my name is DJ Wiz NZ. Welcome to this video. This video I want to talk about the recent email I received from Twitch, and it is to do with DMCA. For those that are not familiar with DMCA, this is pretty much the DMCA act right here. It's an act which talks about using copyright material in streams or in any type of platform or anything like that. There are the amendments and the acts about the DMCA. Now let's get to the email from Twitch. So basically they are saying, we are committed to being more transparent with you about DMCA. We recently received a batch of DMCA takedown notifications with about 1,000 individual claims from music publishers. All of the claims are for VODs. Now VODs are videos on demand, so those are pretty much your videos that are finalized after you do a stream and you have them in your video section. And the vast majority target streamers listening to background music while playing video games or IRL streaming. IRL is in real life streaming. Example, a streamer will be walking down the street in Thailand talking to their audience at the same time they've got a bit of backdrop or background music playing that's copyright music. Now, based on the number of claims, we believe these rights holders used automated tools to scan and identify copyrighted music in creators' VODs and clips, which means that they will likely send further notices. We are actively speaking with music labels about solutions that could work for creators as well as rights holders. Now that is a really good thing. So what Twitch is saying is that they're trying to talk to the publishers about some kind of compromise. It could be a solution where streamers pay a subscription and they can use any music they want in their stream. So it looks like Twitch are trying to create some kind of compromise between the publishers. This is our first such contact with the music publishing industry. There can be several owners for a single piece of music, and we are disappointed they decided to send takedowns when we are willing and ready to speak to them about solutions. So it seems like the music publishing industry are being a little bit greedy, and so they're trying to detect all sorts of copyright throughout streams, throughout people's VODs, videos that they've got on demand on their accounts. Okay, protecting your channel. While the vast majority of you don't include unauthorized background music in your live streams, this recent batch suggests that some of you still do. The only way to protect yourself from DMCA notifications is to not stream music or other copyrighted material you do not have rights to. If you know you have unauthorized music or other copyrighted material in your past VODs or clips, we strongly recommend that you permanently delete anything that contains that material. For your remaining VODs, we recommend you use the Unpublish All feature and review any content for unauthorized music or other copyrighted material. If you believe your content has been misidentified or taken down by mistake, you can submit a counter notification. See our DMCA guidelines for requirements or request a retraction from the copyright owner directly. For more information about what you can do to protect your channel, please reference these resources. Okay, so what they are pretty much saying there is they're giving you some steps to take to try and not use copyrighted material, and they're pretty much saying to protect your channel as well. And you can use royalty free and copyright free music like what you're hearing now in this video. It's all copyright free. You can use music like that. So it seems like the major publishing music industries are trying to crack down and trying to target a lot of the streamers, and it's obviously trying to make more profit, more money, and it seems like Twitch are trying to make some kind of compromise. Anyway, what Twitch is doing, For our part, we are continuing to help creators minimize the amount of material that may infringe others' copyrights. That includes educating creators and providing resources to understand the rules and risks concerning the use of music on Twitch, as well as building new product features such as the ability to unpublish VODs, view your strike count, strike notifications in the creator dashboard, multi-track, audio support for OBS and more, investing in proactive detection and muting, and working with your rights holders on long-term solutions. I mean, that's pretty much what they need to do, is try and make some kind of compromise with some of these publishing outlets and some of these rights holders so that streamers can use that music, because it's a win-win situation. You've got the streamers there, you've got the music here, you know, working together. You've got the audience there that the streamers have. That's what the music holders want, is to have an audience. So try and make some kind of compromise. I mean, it doesn't take a genius to work it out. Anyway, we know this may have questions about your conversations with music right holders. These conversations are active and ongoing, and we continue to work with them to establish potential approaches that would be appropriate for the Twitch service as our entire community. When we have progress to discuss in that area, we will share it with you. So it looks like Twitch are going to be trying to do some kind of compromise, and I hope it works out for the best. I mean, I used to do some DJ streaming until I switched over to Mixcloud. I know there are some DJs that are still using Twitch to do DJ streaming and using copywritten music. I mean, that's their own thing, that's their own vibe. But I do hope that Twitch comes about, creates some kind of compromise. I think as I said, the solution would be for people to pay some kind of subscription fee to actually access the music, and then they can actually do their streams. They can use whatever music, they can do a DJ stream. I think that would be perfect for Twitch and for the streamers, as well as the audience, the viewers who view some of these streamers. I think it'll be a good thing. So you know, I'm really supportive of Twitch trying to create some kind of a link between these music holders and publishers. I think it's a good thing that they're trying to do it. And let's hope for the best in this, guys. Let's hope for the best that they can do this, because it gives not only the platform some good leaps and bounds, but also streamers some good leaps and bounds who are using Twitch. I actually haven't been using Twitch as much as I should. I've been actually using other platforms to do a lot of game streaming. But if this goes ahead, I will be doing some DJ streaming. So I'm going to keep a good close eye on what's going on here, guys. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys that update about what's happening now with the whole Twitch and copyright music thing, especially if you're DJs out there. You guys need to know what's going on. And yeah, guys, we'll leave this video at that. Hope you guys have enjoyed this and you got something out of it. Catch you guys on the next video. Experience the journey, inspire others, live life, guys.